For over 60 years, Aquarius Systems has been a global leader in waterway maintenance and conservation. From shorelines to open water, we restore what matters most: clean, usable, and thriving waterways. Founded on innovation and driven by purpose, Aquarius Systems designs and manufactures the world's most reliable aquatic equipment. Our mission is simple: restore and protect the Earth's waters, one project at a time. With thousands of customers in over 50 countries, we're making a difference. We're not just cleaning up waterways, we're building a legacy of stewardship and sustainability. Our aquatic weed harvesters are engineered to efficiently cut, collect, and remove invasive vegetation, helping restore water flow and native ecosystems. The aquatic trash skimmer targets floating debris and pollution, making it ideal for urban waterways and ports overwhelmed by trash. Designed for versatility, the Amphibious Excavator excels in wetland restoration, shoreline cleanup, and sediment removal. The Swamp Devil Aquatic Vegetation Cutter is built to shred through dense matted growth, clearing what traditional harvesters can't and restoring access to even the most overgrown waterways. From city canals to rural lakes, our equipment empowers communities to reclaim their water. We're proud of our role in building a cleaner and healthier planet. Aquarius Systems, the definition of waterway maintenance and conservation. Learn more at www.aquarius-systems.com.